In this video, we listed the 5 best walking pads that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. DeerRun Walking Pad 2025. The DeerRun Walking Pad Treadmill is a compact, smart fitness solution designed for convenient home or office workouts. This upgraded model is crafted from durable composite materials, making it 5 pounds lighter and easier to move with its built-in wheels. With access to virtual competitions, 24/7 athletic challenges, and social sharing, you can stay motivated and connected while exercising from home. The app offers unlimited data storage plus 200+ free training courses, including personalized AI coaching. It's 15.7 x 39.5. Non-slip, shock-absorbing running belt ensures a safe and comfortable walking experience. Ready to use right out of the box, this treadmill requires no installation and stores easily under desks or furniture. Backed by 24/7 customer support, hassle-free returns, and a 12-month warranty, the DeerRun Walking Pad provides a smooth, engaging, and reliable way to stay active every day. Number 2. Walking Pad R2 Treadmill Running and Walking Folding Treadmill. The Walking Pad R Series R1 Monster R2 offers a premium 2-in-1 walking and running experience with a sleek, space-saving design. Its patented fold and stand mechanism lets the deck fold in half for easy vertical storage, perfect for apartments or small rooms. Designed for flexibility, you can walk up to 3.7 mAh with the handrail folded down, or raise it to enjoy full treadmill functionality. Reaching speeds up to 7.5 mph on the R2 model. Built from a durable one-piece aluminum alloy frame, it provides excellent stability with reduced vibration. Despite its compact build, the treadmill features a spacious running belt that ensures comfortable, natural movement. With smart controls, real-time stats via the hidden LED display, and full connectivity to the KS Fit app, you can track time, speed, distance, and calories effortlessly. Whether for indoor walking or more intense running sessions, the Walking Pad R Series delivers convenience, performance, and long-lasting reliability. Number 3. GoPlus Walking Pad. The GoPlus SuperFit 2-in-1 folding treadmill is designed to bring powerful, space-saving performance to your home or office. With dual modes, it works as a jogging machine, 0.6 to 2.5 mph, when the riser is folded, and a full running treadmill, 0.6 to 7.5 mph, when the handrail is raised. Perfect for walking under a desk or more intense workouts. Its 2.25 HP ultra-quiet motor delivers smooth, stable performance without disturbing others, while the durable steel frame and multi-layer shock-absorbing belt enhance comfort and safety. The spacious 5-layer non-slip running area, 39.3 and 16, provides excellent cushioning for knees and muscles. A clear LED display tracks time, distance, speed, and calories, and you can control the treadmill via the included remote or the Smart AP, which also stores workout data. With a phone holder for entertainment and a compact foldable design with transport wheels, this treadmill is easy to move, easy to store, and arrives fully assembled, ready to use right out of the box. Number 4. Sperax Walking Vibration Pad. The Sperax Walking Vibration Pad treadmill combines innovative vibration technology with a compact walking pad design to deliver a powerful home or office workout. Equipped with a servo silent motor, it runs smoothly and quietly while supporting up to 350 lums, making it suitable for a wide range of users. Its adjustable 4-level vibration mode allows you to switch between walking, fat-burning, and muscle-activating workouts, helping boost metabolism, burn calories, and reduce stress. The LED display, along with remote and app control, makes it easy to track time, speed, and vibration settings. Built with a durable, non-slip ABS shell and a symmetrical design that hides the motor, it provides a wider and safer walking area. Weighing just 27 kilograms, it's lightweight, portable, and extremely easy to store. Designed for long-term reliability, Sperax ensures quality construction and offers responsive customer support for a worry-free fitness experience. Number 5. Urevo Strol 2.0. The Urevo Treadmill offers a versatile and efficient workout experience with dual modes designed to suit both high-intensity running and low-impact walking. With speeds ranging from 0.6 to 6.2 km/h, you can switch between open running mode for cardio training and folding walking mode for convenient under-desk exercise. The treadmill pairs seamlessly with the Urevo Sport app, allowing you to track performance metrics and access detailed workout reports. Designed for comfort and protection, it features a 15D and 40.1 running belt, 5-layer anti-slip surface, 8 silicone shock absorbers, and 2 soft rubber pads to reduce impact on your knees and joints. The LED display keeps you informed with real-time data such as time, speed, distance, steps, and calories. With its foldable, compact design and magnetic remote control with a one-key mute function, this treadmill is ideal for both home and office use, offering powerful performance while saving valuable space.